I welcome the Songbirds to our cenotaph. We're just about at the end of our service. I just have a couple of things left to do. I'd like you all please to remain standing for the Australian and the New Zealand national anthem, and please sing along.